Cleaning the DreamWear mask frame, cushion, elbow, tubing quick release, and headgear before the first use is very important. To disassemble, release the headgear tabs and pull the straps through the slots in the mask frame. Undo the Velcro strips and remove the fabric sleeves. Disconnect the tubing quick release from the elbow. Pull the elbow from the top of the frame. Finally, separate the cushion from the mask frame. Hand wash the non-fabric parts, the mask cushion, mask frame, elbow, and tubing quick release, daily in warm water with mild liquid dishwashing detergent. Submerge the parts and examine them to make sure there are no air pockets present. Rinse the clean parts thoroughly with water. Let them air dry completely before use. In addition to hand washing, you can place the mask on the top shelf of the dishwasher for cleaning once a week. Choose mild detergents and use the air dry cycle. The fabric headgear and sleeves should be hand washed weekly with mild dishwashing detergent. Spread the clean, wet fabric parts out flat or hang them on a line to dry. Do not place them in the clothes dryer. Inspect your mask regularly for damage or wear, such as cracking or tears. Discard and replace parts as needed. To reassemble the DreamWear mask, align the triangles on the cushion and frame. Notice that the cushion and frame opening have a similar shape. Press the mask cushion into the frame until it clicks into place. Insert the elbow into the top of the mask frame. Push the tubing quick release onto the elbow. Once again, you should hear it click into place. Wrap the optional fabric sleeves around the mask frame so that the seams are on the outside, away from your face. Press the Velcro strips together to attach the sleeves. Now slide the tabs on the headgear into the slots on the mask frame and fold them backwards. When correctly assembled, the Philips logo will be on the outside, facing up. Innovation and you. Philips Respironics.